Next experiment number 3, preparation of inorganic compound ferrous sulfate. To prepare and submit ferrous sulfate crystals with conformity test. Then objective of this experiment to understand the principle and reaction involved in the preparation of a ferrous sulfate crystals and submit ferrous sulfate crystal. Then to report the its theoretical yield, practical yield and percentage yield. Then to conformity test perform for ferrous and sulfate ion. Then chemical of this experiment used as a dilute sulfuric acid, iron powder and dilute hydrochloric acid. Then theoretical yield of this experiment, theoretical yield of the ferrous sulfate is 1.8 gram. And after completion of the practical, calculate the practical yield and percentage practical yield. The principle of this experiment is ferrous sulfate is also called as a green vitriol. It is a bluish green crystals, crystalline powder, odorless, efflorescent in air. In exposure to moist air, the crystals rapidly oxidize and become brown. It contains not less than 98% and not more than the 105% of ferrous sulfate. Treatment. In laboratory, preparation of ferrous sulfate is based on the simple reaction between iron metal and sulfuric acid. After the effervescence, the liquid is filtered, concentrated and cooled. The green crystals are formed and separated by the filtration at room temperature. In all these operations, undue exposure to air is prevented because ferrous sulfate is oxidized rapidly on exposure to moist air and the crystals coated with the brownish yellow ferric sulfate. This is the principle of this experiment. Next is a procedure. Weight about 2 gram of iron powder and transfer it into the porcelain dish and add 25 ml dilute sulfuric acid. Then heat and wait for the reaction to be completed. When the effervescence stops, the concentrate the liquid by boiling and filter the solution and allow to crystallize slowly. Then dry it in air and weight the dry crystals and calculate the percentage yield. Then after procedure, then identification test for ferrous is performed. There is a 6 identification test for ferrous. First is a dissolved quantity of the substance under examination containing about 10 mg of iron in 2 ml of water or use 2 ml of a prescribed solution. Then add 2 ml of a dilute sulfuric acid and 1 ml of a 0.1% solution of 110 phenanthroline. And the observation of this test is an intense red color is produced and there is inference is a ferrous may be present. Then next is add ceric ammonium sulfate. There is observation of this test is a red color is a discharge and ferrous is confirmed. And the third test is 1 ml of a solution containing not less than 1 milligram of iron or to 1 ml of the prescribed solution. Add 1 ml of a potassium ferricyanate solution. Then observation of this test is dark blue precipitate is formed and there is a ferrous is confirmed. And they add dilute hydrochloric acid to the test solution number 3 above test and the precipitate is insoluble and ferrous is confirmed. Then fifth test is 1 ml of a solution containing not less than 1 milligram of iron or to 1 ml of the prescribed solution. Add 1 ml of the potassium ferrocyanide solution. Then observation is white precipitate is formed which is rapidly becomes blue because atmospheric oxidation. There is a ferrous may be present. And last one is a conformity test of the ferrous. Add dilute hydrochloric acid to the test solution number 5. Then precipitate is insoluble and ferrous is confirmed. Okay, then next is the identification test for sulfate. There is fifth test for identification of sulfates. We see this test. We will see identification test for sulfate. Dissolve about 50 mg of the substance under examination in 5 ml of water or use 5 ml of a prescribed solution. Then add 1 ml of a dilute hydrochloric acid and 1 ml of the barium chloride solution. Then test observation is white precipitate is formed and sulfate may be present. Then add 0.1 ml of iodine solution to the suspension obtained in test solution number 1 above solution or above test. The suspension remains yellow, then sulfate may be present. Then add dropwise stannous chloride solution in the above solution, that is a test solution number 2, and then observation is a decolorization and sulfate is a confirm. Then dissolve 50 mg of the substance. Then next test, fourth, dissolve 50 mg of the substance under examination in 5 ml of water or use 5 ml of a prescribed solution. Then add 2 ml of a lead acetate solution. There is a white precipitate is formed and sulfate may be present. Then next is add ammonium acetate solution with the sodium hydroxide solution. There is a precipitate dissolve and sulfate is a confirm. Pharmaceutical use of the ferrous sulfate is it is industrial. Ferrous sulfate is mainly used as a precursor to other iron compound. It is a reducing agent mostly for the reduction of a chromate in cement. It is used as a hematinic for the promoting formation of hemoglobin in anemias, which is caused due to the iron deficiency. Then third use of this ferrous sulfate is used in the manufacture of inks, most notably iron gall ink. Ferrous sulfate can also be used to stain concrete and some limestones and sandstones a yellowish rust color. These all are the pharmaceutical uses of the ferrous sulfate. After the completion of the experiment, then there is a theoretical yield, practical yield and percentage practical yield. Write in the result. Write down in this result.